Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add voice effects on KineMaster. Adding voice effect in KineMaster is a super easy process, so let's dive into the video. First of all, open the KineMaster application and open up an existing project or start up a new project, and you will end up in this timeline. Once you get to this page, tap on Media at the top right corner inside the wheel. Now, select one of the video clips from your device's camera roll or other resources that has sounds in it. Here I'm just going to import a media. After you select a media, go ahead and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Once you import a video clip onto your timeline, go ahead and tap on the media and you will be able to see several options on the right hand corner. Scroll down and tap on the voice changer option. From the voice changer option, you will be able to find variety of voice effects to choose from, such as confusion, growl, bad guy, extreme echo, and much more. You can explore around with the voice effects, and if you want to select one, tap on one of the effects and you will be able to apply it to your media clip. After you are done choosing your effect, you can now get back and preview your video.
Lucy? Mama Danny?
Finally, after you are done, you can tap on the export button at the top right and save your video by tapping on Save as Video at the bottom right. So that's how you can easily add voice effects on KineMaster. That's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.